with broken bones.
With broken bones. Now, right before the mains, when no one's going to have a chance to be able to do anything, practice. Are they going to make more of a berm now, too?
They're making it higher. Matt! I said, oh! I got a real good camera.
Right in front of you.
John, are you talking to my mom? He's trying to get through. Can you get his jaw wider? I don't know. He's probably going to have to. Hey, listen from that. Bullshit. You think you're going to stop Mom from staying? No, we'll go over there in the morning. What? What?